Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to customize your Wix website by embedding a bit of HTML, for example, maybe you want to display a live Google Sheet right on your site, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take, even if you're brand new to messing with code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your sheet looking sharp and perfectly sized on your Wix webpage. Let's jump right in. To start, we need to get your Google Sheets file ready for sharing. Head over to your Google Sheets and open up the file you want to display on your Wix site. This is where all your data lives, but it's private by default. So what we need to do is publish it to the web. And don't worry, this just means making it accessible for embedding, not for the whole world to edit or download. Click on File in the top left corner, then scroll down and tap on Share. From there, you'll see an option called Publish to the Web. This feature lets you generate a version of your sheet that can be viewed within other websites. Click Publish. You might get a pop-up just double-checking if you're sure, so feel free to read the warning and confirm. This might take a moment, so give it a second if you don't see the link right away. Now that your sheet is published, look for the Embed tab. You want this one specifically because it generates a special code, called an embed code, that Wix can understand. Copy the code that's displayed there. This code is like a little window back to your Google Sheet, and it's what we'll use to add the table to your Wix site. Let's switch gears now and head over to Wix. Once you're on your Wix dashboard and into your site editor, look to the menu and find the option to Add Elements. It might look like a plus sign. Click on that and then scroll down until you see an option for Embed Code. This is usually under something like More or Embed. Click on Embed a Widget or Custom Embeds. Basically, anything that lets you add a chunk of code to your site. Paste in the embed code you copied from Google Sheets. Instantly, you should see your table start to appear right there on your Wix page. However, you'll probably notice that it looks a little off. Most of the time, the table's size isn't quite right. Maybe it's too short or way too wide and cuts things off. This happens because by default, the embed code doesn't specify the height and width, so Wix just sort of guesses. To fix this, we need to edit the embed code just a bit. Don't worry, this isn't as scary as it sounds. Look for the part of the code that says something like, inside the angle brackets, you'll see some words like width or height. If you don't, you can simply add them. For example, type width 800 terms and height 600 terms. You can adjust these numbers to whatever fits best on your page, just like resizing a picture frame. It may help to experiment a little. So don't be afraid to try a few different numbers until the table looks right. Once you've edited the code and you're happy with how everything looks, hit Enter or Update depending on the editor. And that's it. Your beautifully sized Google Sheet is now perfectly embedded on your Wix website, ready for anyone to see. And there you have it. Now you know how to embed and edit HTML on your Wix site, so your content always looks just the way you want it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.